Hey guys, so I'm making this review after who knows about 2 years for my first one, or like a year. I don't know how long it's been, but basically I found a way to get mercury after being revoked. I don't know if I'm the first one, but I feel like I am because I made a review about being revoked and everyone put their input, like use your neighbor's Wi-Fi. I'm not gonna ask my neighbor. She's a nurse, and like I never even see her. Like she leaves to work 4 in the morning. She does overnight shifts, overtime. Like I'm not gonna harass her. Like, oh, can I use your Wi-Fi? Whatever. It's not that big of a deal. The next one was, shoot, I forgot what was the next one. Like someone recommended, and I thought that was a good. Uh, anyway, so I'm just gonna tell you how I did it. So I got revoked, and it was I have the same phone number. So I made a new account. I bought a new phone, right? I had the 6S, and I got a new phone, which is a 10. So I was like, let me try it. So I downloaded the app, and I noticed it won't let me. It'll let me look and browse, but it didn't let me get an account. So when I put my number, it would not go through. It had like, I don't know if it had a message. I don't remember honestly, cause like I don't know. I just have a bad memory when it comes to stuff like that. Oh, my hair is so like messy. Anyway, um, so I got this phone, and I downloaded that. I had never had I mean, I had Facebook, but when I had my other Mercury app, I don't have Facebook. I deleted it. I just never cared for Facebook. So, but with this one, I noticed it lets me sign on with a Facebook thing. It says log on with an email or log on with Facebook. So when I logged on with Facebook, I was forced to make a new account, which I did. So I put, my name, my last name, blah blah blah. I didn't even add anyone. There's no one even on the Facebook thing, but it let me get a Mercury account. So I was pretty excited about that. I was really happy. I haven't bought nothing anyway, and it works. Like it gave me a coupon for $2 off my $30 purchase. I didn't use it; it expired already. It gave me another discount, which was 10% off whatever I sell, like the first 5 days, but that expired as well. But I'm selling one thing, which is sunglasses. See, so that's good progress. Whoopsie. So those are just your sunglasses, and that's me. Can you see it? And I just changed my name to Twice as Nice, and it lets you see how it lets you link an email on Facebook. But when I put my phone number, it won't let me. So I guess it has my number in history, but maybe they worked out a deal with Facebook, like, oh, you get, who knows, they probably make commission if people sign on Facebook. And I did sign on, so they're probably willing to overlook my number and just keep the email and whatever. I haven't sold anything yet, so I don't know how that buying selling works, but luckily I do have another account. So my first Mercury I had Chase, so if I sell something and need to redeem my balance, I'm gonna use my Wells Fargo. And that's it. So that's my story, how I got my Mercury account back. Hopefully that helps you. I have the same number. Just make another Facebook page, and be careful how you sell things and stuff so you don't get revoked again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.